Jason Sullivan. I've been with Wellcam for 25 years, and I'm here to talk to you today about plumbing on a fire tube boiler. Boiler blowdown means a certain volume of water is blown off through the valve and is automatically replaced by feed water to maintain a certain desired TDS, total dissolved solids, in the boiler. Intermittent blowdown, which is the most common type of blowdown for boilers, the boiler is discharging high TDS water through a pipe to the lowest point in the boiler shell. The boiler water is discharged periodically. For example, the boiler might blow down every 2 hours for approximately 1 or 2 minutes at a time. Most of the controller programs doing intermittent blowdown consist of a sample blow, sample hold time, a blowdown time, and a duration wait time. These 4 types of valves are used for boiler blowdown and throttle. 1. Solenoid valve. Good for isolation valves that can be used for a boiler blowdown. They are usually powered by 115 volt and spring returned. These valves must be rated for the boiler blowdown temperatures. The valves are electronically activated, motor open, spring returned, and you need to use full port valves. 2. Motorized ball valves. Great when used as a boiler blowdown valve. These valves are usually powered to open and powered to close. 3. Throttle valves can be either a full gate or a globe valve with scale. Both of these will work as throttling valves, however the globe valves work better because they have an adjustable scale on the side of the valve which allows the user to precisely adjust the boiler blowdown. The boiler operator will want to set this so only water is blowing down through and no steam is in the line. 4. Ball valves. They have to be full port valves and can only be used as a throttling valve. It is usable but should be the valve of last resort because it is a poor choice for the application. Continuous blowdown is also reducing TDS in the boiler. However, this system is a steady and constant removal of a small stream of concentrated boiled water through a continuous blowdown valve. This boiler program usually consists of inputting the controller a set point and a dead band only. Piping on the boiler line from the top of the boiler should maintain a 3/4 inch minimum pipe ID with no flow restrictions from the tap of the boiler skimmer blowdown line to the electrode. Less than 3/4 inch lines will create flashing. Minimize the usage of T's, valves, and elbows or unions between the boiler and the electrode. A manual shutoff valve should be installed so that the electrode can be removed and cleaned. This valve must be full port in order to avoid flow restrictions. Tap for the boiler skimmer line to the electrode should be a maximum of 10 feet long. There must be a flow restriction after the conductivity sensor to prevent flashing across the sensor. The blowdown from the boiler after the restriction valve should not contain any steam, only hot water. One of the following 3 methods are suggested. Flow control valve, like a needle valve works best. Orifice union, make sure to size correctly for the boiler you have, make sure to confirm with the manufacturer. Or ball valve, not the best option but better than nothing. A drain should be installed so that a user can manually blow down the controller. Another drain should be installed so a user can manually clean the boiler skimmer line. Ensure power to the controller is off, then you'll want to open the front door to the controller. In this example, we're showing a W600 series controller. Second, remove the screw from the plastic protective cover so you can access the 115 volt relays. You'll see 4 wires coming from the motorized ball valve. 2 of them are to power the valve open and closed, usually red and black. 1 is the common, usually white, and the last wire is the ground, usually green. Connect the red wire to the controller relay 1, NC position. Next, wire the black wire to the controller, NO position. Third, wire the white wire to the common, neutral terminal strip. This terminal strip will have the letter N printed on it by each wire insert. Lastly, wire the grounding wire to the controller. This is done by screwing the grounding wire to the ground terminal block, which is right above the common terminal block.